Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how to bake a Sprite cake. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mix butter and sugar into this container. So I use one of these spoons for the butter, and I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. If I need more, I will add more to that, and I'm going to mix this up using this electric blender mixer. So I'm going to need more, obviously. I'm at another one of these spoons, and I'm at another cup of sugar. And here's the other cup of sugar. I'm sure I'll need 1 more cup and everything, but I'm gonna mix this real quick. Okay, this is my last final spoon of butter, and I'm gonna add 1 more cup of sugar. And now my last cup of sugar. This is 3 cups total. Before I mix this, I'm gonna add 2 eggs to this mixture. So there's the 2 eggs. Now I'm gonna mix everything. Now I need to add some flour to this mixture. This is 1 cup. And this is half a cup of flour. 1.5 total. Now I'm gonna mix this. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of this lemon extract and put that in there. Now I'm gonna add 1 12-ounce Sprite Zero. I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon of lemon extract. Now I'm gonna mix this. So this is a little thin. I'm gonna thicken it up with 1 cup of flour. Then I'm gonna mix this until I get a thicker substance. Once again, I'm gonna add half of a cup of flour. This should do the trick. I'm gonna mix that up. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'll mix this up more thoroughly. Now I'm going to preheat this to 350 degrees. I'm going to set this to a side, and I'm going to get the baking pan because there's a few things I got to do before I pour this in there. Now I'm going to put a little cooking oil, vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add some flour just on the base of that. Now I'm going to pour the mixture on top. Now I'm going to wait until it preheats, and I'm going to bake this. Now this is preheated. I'm going to put this in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So I've done this for 35 minutes. Now I'm going to take it out of the oven. Turn this off. Now it's time to make the frosting. I'm going to start with just one of these and I'm going to add more as needed. And 1 cup of sugar. Some milk. And just a little of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix this. I'm going to add a little more milk. I'm going to add a little more sugar. Make this a little thicker. Then mix. I'm going to add more butter to this. And a little bit more sugar. Now I'm going to put this frosting on that cake. And there you go. Enjoy.